Hey everybody, it's Alan Ward here from tweetprofits.com, and in today's video I'd like to give you a brief overview of TweetAdder version 3. TweetAdder as a program has been around for a while, but with the recent changes to Twitter's API, it meant they had to change the program around, and so they brought out version 3, which is a very big improvement on previous versions. And in this video I'll give you just an overview of how it looks. So this is the front screen that we've got here. It shows my Twitter accounts, and similar to the other TweetAdder, it shows how many people I'm following, how many followers I've got, number of updates I've done over lifetime of the account or also today, how many people I've got left to follow, how many people I have in this column to follow back. So they're people who have followed me and I need to follow them back. And over here, numbers of people to unfollow and numbers of tweets that I've got. There's a little bit more as well. And over here is different options for searching and thank you messages, RSS, retweets and replies. If it's got a green button, that means that's activated. If it's a red button, it means that it's inactive. So I'm just sitting inside one of the accounts now, and down the left hand side here is a bunch of options. So I'll quickly go through. The search options look similar to the previous version of TweetAdder. So you can do a tweet search, you can search by keywords. So for instance, if you want to put the word guitar in and hit search now, what it's going to do is search recent tweets in Twitter that have the word guitar in them, and it will then come up with a list of people that I could follow. So if you're running a guitar website or something like that, this could be a very useful feature to have. Importantly now with TweetAdder, it allows you to save searches. So further down here is automated service searches. So what you can do, hit this button here, and then what TweetAdder will do is at regular intervals it'll redo that search and find new people and put that in the list of people to follow. So it's quite useful if there's people that you want to follow. Like the old TweetAdder profile data search, so looking in people's profiles, I'll just go back, let's give me the list there. So you can search people's profile by a keyword, by the location, numbers of followers and so on. Location search, where are they? Followers of a user and people followed by a user. So if it's a particular Twitter user who you want to look at, well, who are they following? Very easy to copy that and put that in there. And Twitter lists is a new option as well. So you may find a particular Twitter user who has some lists set up and you want to follow people just in that list. Well, this allows you to do that. Quite a powerful little feature. Next up, looking at the follow-unfollow users section. So follow basically allows you to automate some of the following. Now, what they've done is they've changed this now. Big button here that says automation off or automation on. If I click it, at the moment I've got it turned off for this account. Basically what it will do is look at the people in your to follow list, and the way I've got it set up, it will send up to 300 follows a day. And this is the really cool bit now, it gives you much bigger space between follows. So what this will do now is between every 1 to 3 minutes it will send a follow. So no sooner, no later than that. Quite a good feature. The alternate way of doing it is hitting the start here to send follows now. But interestingly enough, it only allows you to do it in seconds rather than minutes. So look, I don't use this top option at all. What I may do is choose to set it up and automate it. So in a given day it might send out a couple hundred follows to people. Follow back is automated. So what I've done here is simply said, look, if someone follows me and I'm not already following them, I will follow them back. And again, this is automated, the automation's on, and every 2 to 5 minutes it'll check my account and it will follow back people. Unfollow users, again, hasn't changed a great deal from the old one, but look, quite simply, it gives you a few options here, but the way I use this is it allows me to send follows out, and then the way I've got it set up, if you look just further down the page down here, is if I've sent follows to people and they don't follow me back, I give them 4 days and then I will unfollow them. Some people like that, some don't. It's up to you to form your own opinion on that. Where things have changed a bit is in this tweets section. So you can import a tweet list. If you've got one written down as a text file, you import it into it. But what's really cool is it's got a randomize feature on here as well. Over here, randomize order. If I click this, what it's doing is it changes the order of the tweets that I've got set in there. And also what's new and what I can do down here is post in random order if I wanted to, but I've already randomized it. Recurring tweets, this is the cool bit now. Tweets won't be removed from the list after they're posted. So what this will do is you can bump in a set of your tweets that you want to send out at random intervals. In my case, every 60 to 130 minutes a tweet goes out. It's randomized the order, so it will just pick them. It won't pick them 1, 2, 3 in a row. It'll pick random ones, but importantly, it won't remove them after they're posted. So I don't really need to change this at all. I can just keep it going until I choose to change things. So a really good feature. A few other bits and pieces. It has got the ability now to add RSS feeds, and what it will do is, once every couple of hours or something, it will check the RSS feed, and if there's something new in it, it will then put that out as a tweet, which I think is pretty cool. And also allows you here to do automated retweets and automated at replies. Look, I don't use this. I prefer to use Hootsuite to monitor who's retweeting my stuff and to monitor who's speaking about me, and I'll communicate directly with them. I'm not a big fan of automating replies and so on. Same with thank you messages. That's at the bottom here. Again, not a big fan of that. So this is TweetAdder. Again, back to the main page. I like it. The one thing about TweetAdder that I'm not a big fan about is that it's a program that sits on your PC or Mac and your computer needs to be on for it to run. So for me, look, my laptop's on most of the time, so it's not a big issue. But if I want to go away, for instance, and the laptop's off for a couple of days or for a week, then unfortunately TweetAdder can't run. So what I'd love to see is a web version of TweetAdder. But look, otherwise it does what it does very, very well. I'm a big fan of it. Have a look at Tweet Profits or Tweet-Profits. You'll see the URL on the screen now, and also in the information section of this video you'll see a link to get to that site. Click on that and you'll be able to download the free demo version of TweetAdder so you can use it also and get a feel for what it can do. Thanks for watching.